What's good everybody, is your boy David again and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So ito na yung pinakahihintay ng mga JML fans, lalo na sa mga fans ni Mariel Montellano. So ito yung pinaka-request nyo a week ago, no? Ito yung Adele medley ni Mariel Montellano during the New Gen concert 2 weekends ago. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. And if hindi nyo pa nakita yung JM De La Serna na Michael Bolton reaction video ko, medley, same concert, meron na po ako nun, and the duet nila ng Just Give Me a Reason, meron na din po ako nun. So please do go to my latest videos and just scroll up, scroll down, and just look for it, okay? And marami din ako mga reaction videos if you guys want to watch other artists on this channel, okay? So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go, Mariel. I love Adele, okay?
No final kiss to see any sin.
Grabe. Galing ng tone quality talaga.
No idea of the state we were in.
Beautiful.
I know I have a big heart and a bitterness and a wonderland in my head. Don't you remember? Don't you remember? The reason you left me before.
Linis.
Baby, please remember me once more. I made this voice so you could breathe. I cut my distance so you'd be free. And hope you'll find love with some peace to bring you back to me.
Beautiful. Ang linis talaga, men. Smooth transition. Lovely. Grabe. Madadamo mo yung emosyon, yung pain.
Close enough to start a war. All that I have is on the floor. God only knows what we're fighting for. All that I say, you always say more. I can't keep up with your turning tables under your thumb. I can't breathe. So I won't let you close enough to hurt me. No, I won't rescue you to just desert me. I can't be what I think you gave me. It's time to say goodbye. So I won't let you close enough to hurt me. No, I won't ask you to just desert me. I can't be you. What I think you gave me. It's time to say goodbye. to turning tables.
Parang pang grand finals. What? Grabe. I love that. I love that. Better than the first one, huh?
You've been on my mind. I don't wonder every day.
Woo! Beautiful.
Just thinking of your face. I don't know why I'm scared, 'cause I've been here before. Every feeling, every word I've imagined growing. You never know if you never try to forget your past and simply be mine.
Grabe, galing niya.
Dare to let me be yours.
Hey. Sarap ng boses niya sa tenga, man. Woo!
You have on every word I say, and have you tell me whichever road I choose, you go. So I dare to let me be yours.
Ha 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 ha. I love that. I didn't know she could do that one. Grabe. What? What? Okay guys. I have to say this, no? I think sa lahat ng performances, live, studio, duet, solo, sa lahat ng performances ni Mariel, I know that she could sing well. Meron talaga siyang boses, magaling siya. But I have to say, vocally, okay, on a technical aspect, vocally, I think this particular performance of hers, ito yung nag-stand out. Ito yung pinaka sa pinaka, okay? I've heard so much na hindi ko narinig before. And the nuances, yung drama ng boses niya, man. Swak na swak sa mga Adele songs. Like, super swak sa mga Adele songs. Meron kasing mga timbre ng boses na magaling but hindi masyadong okay. Hindi siya fit sa isang artist, sa mga kanta ng isang artist. But Mariel's voice, yun nga sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? I always say this, sweet but powerful. And I didn't know that she can also be that explosive if she really wanted to, no? And I think etong particular video na performance na to gave me the impression na kahit mag-solo artist siya, talagang she's going places, no? Kasi she has the character, the personality, she has charisma just like JM. And I think that they really meant for each other, kung hindi man sa totoong buhay but at least sa pagiging duo, pareha sila no? Simple lang, no? Pero magagaling talaga, no? Magagaling talaga. Man, I am very impressed with Mariel. Grabe. Sobrang linis. Sobrang linis. That was, to me, very effortless. Yung mga high notes niya, hindi siya, you can't see her struggling. She just did that with ease. Yung mga transitions niya, man, grabe. Grabe. Amazing. Amazing. Beautiful. Yes. Beautiful. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.